Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Pilot battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and your new battery. Safety is paramount, so always put on your safety glasses and gloves. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. This creates a secure and safe working environment for the entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. Always disconnect the negative before the positive to prevent electrical shorts. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Next, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. Carefully lift the old battery straight out of its tray and set it aside. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new battery into the battery tray, making sure it sits flat and is stable. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp, tightening it securely so the battery cannot move. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, followed by the negative terminal cable. Ensure both connections are tight and secure. To finish up, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a longer lifespan for your battery connections. Now, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. You might need to reset your radio or clock settings. Also, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals. They make meal prep so much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.